Avoiding inappropriate clothing choices in business attire. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the realm of business attire. In particular, we're going to focus on a very crucial topic: inappropriate clothing choices. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to always look professional and make the right impression. Business attire serves a dual purpose. Firstly, it makes us look professional and competent. Secondly, it's a reflection of respect, both for oneself and for the people you're interacting with. In most business environments, the way you present yourself can have a significant impact on the way you are perceived. Let's dive into some of the common mistakes people make. 1. Too casual clothing. Avoid jeans, t-shirts, or sneakers unless the company culture specifically allows it. Remember, it's always better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. 2. Loud and flashy colors. While colors can be a personal choice, neon or overly bright colors can be distracting in a business setting. Stick to more neutral tones or softer colors. 3. Revealing outfits. Clothes that are too short, low-cut, or transparent can be considered unprofessional. Always ensure your clothing covers you appropriately and you're comfortable in what you're wearing. 4. Worn out or wrinkled clothes. Always ensure your clothes are clean and neatly ironed. Wearing clothes that are faded, torn, or wrinkled can give the impression that you don't care about your appearance. 5. Over-accessorizing. While accessories can add a touch of personal style, avoid wearing too much jewelry or overly flashy items. It's essential to find a balance. 1. Know the company culture. Before attending a meeting or starting a new job, try to find out the dress code. This can often be found in employee handbooks or by asking our. 2. Invest in basics. Having a few basic pieces, like a well-fitting suit, white shirt, or formal shoes, can go a long way. These can be mixed and matched for various occasions. 3. Try on outfits before the big day. This will help ensure everything fits correctly, and you can make adjustments if needed. 4. Seek feedback. Sometimes, a second pair of eyes can spot something you missed. It can be a friend, family member, or colleague. Their feedback can be invaluable. 5. Stay updated. Fashion and what's considered appropriate can evolve. Stay updated by reading articles or joining forums related to professional attire. To wrap it up, the way you dress in a business setting plays a significant role in how you're perceived. By avoiding common mistakes and understanding the essentials of business attire, you can always put your best foot forward. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you make the right clothing choices in your professional journey. Until next time.